Alright, this is a Tungsten stainless knife master by Utica. This blade hones easily enough now. It has a touch of a heel more, but it hones just fine. When I first got it, there was no bevel over here whatsoever, and a chip at the toe. So I got rid of that. You can still push this edge forward more if you wanted to, but my goal is just to get it hitting the apex, which it wasn't when I first got it, and just making it sharp enough to work with and deleting a little ding. Peanut motif, nickel silver bolsters, nice clean springs, shield inlay, very tight strong springs on this. Not currently sharpened. My hands have been in water, which makes it even worse. Not currently sharpened, but tacked. Very nice and clean. Clean, clean, clean. Clean, clean, clean. Tons of snap. I don't think this was hardly used. Anyway. Snap, snap, snap. Their knife. This is a John Primble. Model is 5323. It's a pen knife. I use a little lube, but I don't think this one's been used really, to be honest. Nice and clean. Little water spot. Snap. Peanut motif again. Ah, okay. Not sharpened. So. Anyway. Ow. Two nice pocket knives. And my nail is too soft because it's too wet. Alright.